Hi, I'm going to do a review on the automated binary. As you can see, I've got the website there and the background. But before I do that, I want to show you something cool that people are using to make money online. Let's just listen up.
Above you and below you will keep adding new members to your organization, sale after new sale, all going under your position and counting towards your overall sales volume.
Right. What happens here is you bring in customers the normal way, right? But the system itself keeps on bringing customers on your behalf, working with you, but at a very fast rate compared to you, which is crazy, right? So if that interests you, go ahead, click on that link below this video. You basically just follow the instructions. Let's go back here and talk about what we were talking about, which is the automated binary. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you around the site, right? As you can see, this is the automated binary right there, right? And let's come down here and see some stuff here. Here they say that you can try it for free. Here they show the software configuration, some money management stuff, and then here they show the algorithm. A lot of cool stuff here. Cool stuff. Very cool, right? So basically what has happened is I've gone through everything. I've studied their videos, I've studied their website, and I realized that they follow the same pattern like all other binary options gurus. So what they're basically saying is they're going to give you a free software, right? But before you get that free software, you have to go through their broker, right? You go to pay their broker, go through the broker, and then you pay the broker about $250 and more, right? Two things I don't explain to you. Number one is that the broker is normally themselves, so which means the $250 you pay will go straight into their pocket, right? And also they will definitely give you they'll give you the software. They'll send it to your email, but once you get it, you realize it's so difficult to do any kind of trading binary options. It actually takes many years of training before you can have any mastery into it or any success whatsoever, right? Which is crazy, right? That's why I've gone ahead and got a system that works much better. So if you click on that link below this video, you find a system that allows you to go through a trial. What's a trial? A trial is more like when you go to a shop, right, you want to buy a pair of trousers, you want to try them first and see if they fit you. So that's why you go to the fitting room and try them. And if you like them, you like the color and everything about them, you buy them. But if you don't, you leave them. But let's suppose that you like them, right? You take them home. Maybe when you get home, the wife or the children or maybe a friend shows you something on the trousers that you never saw when you're in the shop. What do? You take the thing back, right? Then you get your money back, right? That's exactly how a trial works. So if you click on that link below this video, you'll be allowed to go through a trial. Of course, for a minimum amount as compared to what you get here, right? That the automated binary, right? When you go there, you'll be able to meet the people on the video, ask them questions as much as you can, meet the community, ask them questions, prove that the thing really works. Because sometimes I believe that you're going to take something and look at it and say, this is what I've always wanted, right? Guys, this is the system that I use, and there are days where I make $300 in a single day. And here, guys, you're talking about somebody who at one point in my life I couldn't even afford an underwear. I remember this particular year where I had to use one single underwear for the entire year. I had to wash it at night and dry it up so it's ready for me in the morning. And if I can do this, I believe you can do this. I really believe in you. So how did it come? How did I arrive to where I am today? Well, I had to stop. What did I have to stop? I had to stop moving from company to company. Going from deal to deal. Really, I had to stop believing that some magical thing has to happen to you for you to have any success in business or for you to be able to be successful in anything, right? I had to stop that. And the reason why I had to stop is because I just started to use a 3-step formula. What is that? That's first, number one, you're going to get a very good system. Number two, you have to be ready to work hard, right? And number three, you got to be ready to pay for your education, right? Let me go back to the system, right? What do you mean by a good system? A good system is a system where it's got good leadership, it's got a good community, and it's got a good plan, right? Unfortunately, it took me years, right, to get this kind of system that are very, very difficult to get, by the way, systems that are very good out there, right? But it's taken me years to get it, and I finally got something that works, right? So once you do those three things, what happened to me is that I realized suddenly it was like I'm standing on this pipeline of prosperity. Everything was happening the way I've always wanted to be, right? Because I did those three things. So if you feel that you are ready and you're ready to take the action, you are ready, you're tired of everything else, go ahead, click on that link below this video and let's rock and roll. Thank you so much and bye for now.